Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 that's set to revolutionize the game. If you're a Galaxy fan or just a tech enthusiast, you won't want to miss this video. So let's dive right in. Thinner design and performance. The Galaxy's Fold 7 is poised to change the dynamics for Galaxy smartphones. It's not just about being different, it's about bringing what we truly need. Samsung is making the Z Fold 7 thinner than its predecessor, the Z Fold X, which is quite a surprise. However, thinner designs often lead to heating issues. There were initial rumors about Samsung using the Exynos processor, but those turned out to be false. Instead, the Z Fold 7 will feature the same overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite processor as the Galaxy S25 series, which breaks the 10,000 Geekbench score. Talk about power-packed performance. Heating solutions. Now, you might be wondering about heating issues. Don't worry, Samsung has got us covered. The Z Fold 7 will come with a larger vapor chamber, similar to the one in the S25 Ultra, ensuring there's no compromise on performance despite the sleek design. S Pen controversy? One hot topic is the S Pen. Will the Z Fold 7 have it? Given the slimmer design, there's no built-in S Pen. The support for the S Pen is still in question as Samsung may remove the digitizer from the Z Fold 7, but let's keep our fingers crossed for an alternative solution. Camera upgrades. Here's some exciting news for camera enthusiasts. The Z Fold 7 is set to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, a significant upgrade from the standard 50-megapixel sensors of the past. This means the Z Fold 7 will share the same impressive camera as the S25 Ultra. Say hello to stunning photos. Storage and RAM options. There are some updates about storage and RAM too. The Z Fold 7 will come with 12 GB of RAM, but there's no jump to 16 GB. Even the Z Flip 7 will feature 12 GB of RAM across all models. This should be more than enough for most users, ensuring smooth and efficient performance.